Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my simple pampering routine, and I hope it inspires you to also take some time for yourself, especially during this holiday season that can be quite joyous but also pretty exhausting and chaotic. Whenever I pamper myself, the very first thing I do is make sure everyone in the house knows this is mommy's time. And in simple ways, that just means making sure that my hubby has things covered in terms of bedtime, and I say an early goodnight to the kids before I close the door and spend some time in intentional solitude.
Okay.
Do you like doing charcoal masks? I actually really enjoy it every now and then, and I find it to be so cleansing and exfoliating for my skin. I'm a curly girly, so deep conditioning my hair and making sure all that moisture is locked in with a good heat cap is very important for my routine, even if I look really silly doing it.
Oh, it's heavy, it's toasty, it's good.
Except for the fact that I look like Da Vinci. I like to drink tea, but I don't like it scalding hot, so I'm just getting it ready for now, and I'm going to put it to the side to enjoy later. Okay, I know this seems really weird, but what you didn't see is that before this, I had shaved my legs and scrubbed my feet a little bit. And what I love doing after that is putting some lotion on my feet and putting on nice, thick, warm socks. It just makes me feel so cozy and comfortable, and it also locks in the moisture and makes my feet so silky smooth.
I'm running out.
I love to conclude my little pampering routine by just sitting down with my cup of tea and enjoying me some of The Nanny. It's my favorite sitcom of all time, and I just love watching it. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you found some inspiration to set aside some time for yourself, because you definitely deserve it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.